How to add a clock widget on your home screen for your Samsung Galaxy A54 smartphone, Android 13, One UI 5.0, and let's get started. To add a clock widget, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen like this here. This will give you these other options here, and you're going to where it says widgets. As you tap on the widgets section, you'll see all the widgets that you have available. Simply just go down until you see clock, this right here. Tap on this right here and just go up a little bit to see all the other clocks that you have available. And if you're looking for the one that you saw earlier on today in this video, tap on this here first, press add. It's going to appear like this right here. You will also notice that as you release it, there is these circles on the edges here, which you can pull on them and adjust the size of it, okay? And if you don't want it this big, it's up to you. You can also come back and change the size of it. I'll show you now. So let's say you're already tapped away from it. Go ahead and long press it again, and then you'll see these edges again to pull on. However, now while you are in this view mode here, you will see this pop up here and you'll go to settings. When you're in the settings section, this is where you can change the style of your clock. And if you're looking for the one you saw early on, it's this one here. And to get the black color, it would be right here. Be sure to press save so that it can actually save the changes, and you will get yourself this gigantic clock widget. And again, if you want to make it smaller, you can go ahead and long press it and adjust the size of it, if ever, also holding it down to move it to another part of your home screen. So hold it down like this here, and then you can drag it anywhere else you want it to be. And if you want to remove it, long press it, you'll see the remove option, and that's going to remove it. Thanks for watching. Like and sub. Check out my other tutorials on the Galaxy A54, and see ya.